Leipzig is a massive network of passages or arcades that are built for trading, and they're full of little surprises. This is the oldest of Leipzig, Specks Hof. Come through here, you start to see the artwork. This is a real mix of old and new.
My name is Gitta, Perl, and I've been a tour guide here for 34 years. Leipzig is famous for passageways. We have a lot of system of such passageways where you can really hide. They are very interesting in Leipzig, especially because originally they were developed out of courtyards. In the early 19th century, the streets were still very bad and it was not very clean, and so many people built houses with such passageways where it was dry when you could walk.
This way, you've got this most amazing mural, mosaic. You've got the guy with his fur, and that shows all the stages of trading. This was once at the site of a department store, and you can feel that grandeur still. Look at these. And then you go out into another passageway. There's loads. Each of these arcades has a different history, and they're all full of character. It's not like going to a shopping mall. This is the one with the horse. Come this way. You can see the bark chocolate and some lark cakes. This one even has its own cabaret theatre. Have a peek through there. What are these? There's a little nostalgia museum through here. Come in. There's lots of little hidden cafes as well, so you can tuck yourself away in here and have